Spotted TFC files on your system and wondering if they're safe to delete? These cache files come from a system maintenance utility and rarely need direct attention. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what TFC files are and how to safely manage them. Don't worry if the first steps fail. I have a guaranteed nuclear option recovery process for the TFC format, but we'll attack the top issues first. A TFC file is a temporary cache file, often associated with system maintenance utilities like TFC, Temp File Cleaner, by OldTimer. These files are created during system scans or cleaning operations and are intended for short-term use. Users typically encounter them when examining disk space usage and can safely delete them. TFC files are typically unstructured binary data or simple log files. Their design prioritizes speed of creation and deletion over data integrity or long-term readability. They serve as a temporary holding area for data that a utility program is processing and are not meant to be opened or edited by the end user. The standard opener for TFC is known to be TFC Temp File Cleaner, developed by OldTimer Geeks Togo. Windows prevents native execution, requiring elevation or a digitally signed application. Windows can produce temp files during normal use, and storage tools help clear them out. Let's find the specific program that reads the file signature. Right-click the TFC file and hit Open with. Test TFC, Temp File Cleaner, if available. If not, choose a different app. Compatibility is the likely issue. If you still cannot open your TFC file, that is okay. Since the TFC file requires specific software, we must confirm the setup. Let's quickly review these key details on our preparedness checklist. First, opening in text editor. Right-click the TFC file and choose Open, with selecting Notepad or another text editor. If the file is a log, it displays as readable text showing cleanup history and statistics. Binary cache files appear as garbled text indicating the file requires the original utility for proper interpretation. Next, using Temporary File Cleaner. Launch the Temporary File Cleaner utility from OldTimer or its successor application. The tool may automatically read its TFC cache files displaying historical cleanup data within the interface. Use the application's reporting functions to view cleaning history rather than opening cache files directly. Finally, safely deleting TFC files. TFC cache files are typically safe to delete if you no longer use Temporary File Cleaner or don't need cleanup history. Remove them through normal file deletion to recover disk space. The utility regenerates cache files as needed during future cleaning operations without any negative impact on system performance. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.